Good evening, all. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, how are you? How are you
Fine,
guys?
sir.
Very good. Chalo. So, as I told that I will not be available from 28th of this month. So, when it's not available month means I will not be taking the classes. I will take the classes. For that, I'm taking an extra classes and I just prepone my classes. I'm taking the classes which I'm going to miss after 28th. So probably we'll be not taking on Diwali. So Diwali classes I'm not considering. So before Diwali, whatever we have, I'm just considering that irrespective of that, I'm taking the classes. So to please, no one should miss out the classes. We are going to solve the questions of surface areas and volumes, where you are going to write the test on surface areas and volume for tomorrow's test. All right.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Solve this third one. Solve the third question. What he has given a spherical ball of radius 3 centimeters is melted and recast into three spherical balls. The radii of the of the two of the balls are 2 centimeters and 1.5 centimeters respectively. Determine the radii. Determine the diameter of the third ball. Yes. What happened? Children, make it fast. Make it fast. And the answer from everyone. So spherical ball of radius 3 centimeter melted and recast into three spherical balls. The radii of the two of the balls 2 and the 1.5 centimeters. Determine the diameter of the third ball.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I just joined, sir. What are we doing, sir?
So we are solving the problems, Ashish, and I got to know that Ashish. Actually, I would like to talk to you personally. You did not score well from your
Yes, sir, I
exam,
did
right?
not. Yes.
So may I know what is the reason behind that, guys? Rest of the people should keep solving your problem. So I'm talking to Ashwin. So not Ashwin. What is your name? Ashish.
Ashish.
Tell me, Ashish.
Sir, actually, I lost my marks due to polynomial, sir. I was not able to understand the concept.
Okay. Then why couldn't you ask me?
Sir, no, sir. I asked Manoj, sir. He said to check the recording, so I was not able to get clarified my doubts.
See, the problem is, see here, yeah. Then did you go to the polynomials recordings?
Yes, sir. I went through.
Okay. So still you didn't understand. Okay, probably today's the extra class, right? So I'm taking the extra I just preponed my classes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, I know you might be aware of that. So these are
Yes,
the
sir.
classes very important, and definitely for the next time you make sure that, so your exams are nearing by, so you make sure that you are be clear with your concept. You are clear with your concept.
Sir, I have mock 2 from 25th.
25th.
But my maths exam is the last exam, sir.
Okay, no problem. So probably after Diwali we'll have an extra session. Then you can get clarified before exam. So if you teach right now, so you just prepare for other chapters. You be clear with other concepts. So the chapter whichever you're not clear with, so we'll just study before the exam. Study before the exam in the sense, not like at the last point of the exam. At least
Yes,
like
sir.
after on the 6th, probably on 6th of uh, November. So we'll have that.
Yes.
Okay. All right. See, I don't find, I still didn't find the answer from anyone. I didn't get the answer from anyone. Guys, what is the problem here?
Sir, I'm at the end part. I'm getting the answer once.
Yes, look at this here. So let us solve that. So radius of the spherical ball is what given? What is the radius? Spherical ball. Radius of the three centimeters given to you. So, and he's talking about what? We need to find diameter of the third ball, right? Okay, so it is talking about total 3 balls. So let us talk about a ball means like we'll be considering total volume of that. So we know what is the volume of the spherical, sphere. What is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes or no? Yes or no,
Yes, sir.
children?
There is the answer 5 centimeters.
Exactly. Look at this. So this ball melted and recasted into 3 spherical balls. Okay. So now this is my volume. Okay. This is my volume. So now, let's say this is my volume, right? So now, and volume 1 is going to be what now? 4 by 3 pi r cube. First radius, how much given? 2, 1.5, 2. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? So volume 2 is going to be now 4 by 3 pi r cube, which means 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is r here? First r, you can say 2 cube. 4 by 3, sorry. 4 by 3 pi 1.5 cube. And V3 is what? V3 is what? One ball we have which with what? We need to find out that. Third ball diameter we need to find it. 4 by 3 pi r
Sir,
cube.
we have to add the first
Yes,
and the second, and we have
exactly.
to.
So total volume is what now? Capital V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So capital V, what I know here, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube. I mean, sorry, not pi r cube. 1.51. Oh, here V1 is 2, right? Let us write 2. 4 by 3 pi. Children, are you able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very simple. Now, look at this here. So here, can I take 4 by 3 common on the right hand side? 4 by 3 pi, I can take common. 2 cube is 8. And 1.5 cube is how much? 1.5 cube is how much? 12.5, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
15 cube, not 12.5, sorry. 15 cube, how much?
3.375.
3 point. Did you solve? Tell me how much?
3.375.
Fine. So here plus r cube. So this will be getting cancelled. So r cube and I know that. What is r cube here? See, we know this one, right? R cube value. This we know that. What he has given. This part they recasted into 3 spherical ball, which means, so we know the radius of this, which means for this, what is r value here? R cube is just nothing but 3, right? 3 cube is equal to 8 plus 3.375 plus r cube. So solve this r cube now. और else you take बेटा इसको ले लीजिए, हमने कैपिटल R ले लेंगे, कैपिटल R लेंगे तो हमको पता चल जाएगा ना. आया समझ?
Sir,
आपको मैंने देखो आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने कैपिटल R am taking, this is my actual ball, actual radius. So from that they are recasting and just making into 3 spherical balls. इसको थोड़ा मेल्ट करके, ये बड़ा बाल है भाई, इसको मेल्ट करके थोड़ा छोटा छोटा 3 बाल बना रहा है इधर. आ रहा है समझ? ठीक है. तो मैंने ये बड़ा बाल का मैंने वॉल्यूम मैंने 4/3 पाई कैपिटल R ले लिया, कुछ भी. ठीक है. हाँ देखो, उसके बाद मुझे क्या आएगा इधर, r cube is equal to what? 8 plus 3.375 minus 27. हाँ, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? अरे 1.115 क्यूब का मतलब कितना हो गया यार? 15 क्यूब 225 into 15, 15 5 75, 37 37 40. अरे भाई 44 पॉइंट समथिंग होता है ना? टेल मी. अरे यार बताओ आंसर क्या होता है? 3.37. So yes, correct only.
Sir, I decided not to change it into decimals and I took fractions instead.
Yes.
And it was much simpler.
Yes. अच्छा तो 15/10 into 15/10 into 15/10. हाँ, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 15. How much you get?
3/2, 3/2, 3/2.
So
Sir,
three
if you take it like that, you can actually cancel all the
3 by 2.
threes.
So 27/8
Sorry,
ना?
all the twos.
27/8 ना? Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So 27/8. हाँ. So r cube is equal to what? 64 plus 27 minus 27 into 8. How much you will get? You will get in negative, right? Any calculation mistake we made? Oh, एक मिनट भाई. ओके, इधर हमने शिफ्टिंग इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वी मेड अ मिस्टेक आई थिंक. So r cube is equal to what? 27 minus 8 minus 27 by 8. अभी समझा? तो what you get? So LCM is 8. 27 into 8 how much?
2 and 6.
2 and 6 minus 64 minus 27 by 8. करो भाई इसको करो. रेडियस मिल जाएगा मुझे. रेडियस मिलना. If I get radius, I'll be getting diameter easily. तो कितना मिलेगा देखो. 64 plus 27 how much? 80 91. तो 91 निकालेंगे तो इधर से कितना मिलेगा? 10 नहीं 12. So 125 by 8. 125 by 8 का मतलब क्या होता है? तो r cube is equal to 5 by 2 whole cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So r is equal to what? 5 by 2. इसका मतलब 2.5. r का वैल्यू 2.5 तो डायमीटर क्या होता है? 2 times of r, मतलब 2 times of 2.5 which gives you 5.
5.
5 क्या? What is the सेंटीमीटर की? सेंटीमीटर में है था.
Yes,
Everyone
sir,
is
centimeter.
everyone is in centimeter. Yes. So the question बहुत एकदम खतरनाक क्वेश्चन है. आया समझ? Any doubts children?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, no, sir.
So very good question guys. Calculation थोड़ा हम लोग थोड़ा presence of calculation is very important. Yes. Solve the next one. Make it fast. I need a quick answer. Let me have some water, please. Keep doing this. Then what is the answer? So 2.2 cubic decimeter of brass is to be drawn into a cylindrical wire of 0.25 centimeter in diameter. Okay, find the length of the wire. अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन है एकदम खतरनाक.
Sir, is it 56 centimeters?
No, wrong answer. cubic dm. Cubic dm का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो
Sir, it's the volume, right?
हाँ. तो brass is to be drawn into what? Cylindrical. सिलेंडर के बारे में बात कर रहा है. तो रेडियस क्या होता है? रेडियस का मतलब 2 times of r is equal to d centimeter diameter. तो r is equal to what now? d by 2 which मतलब 0.25 by 2 मतलब कितना मिलेगा इधर? 0.125.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, in last class we discussed that 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 centimeter is equal to how much? Or else you take that.
Sir, 1 by 10 yeah,
100
1 by 10
centimeter is equal to
decimal.
1 meter. Then 1 centimeter how much? 1 by 100
10.
meters. So 1 centimeter is nothing
Sir,
but what?
1 decimeter is 1 by 10.
So yes, 1 decimeter is equal to how much? 1/10th of meter, na? Yes or no?
Sir, is the answer 448
yes,
centimeters?
yes. तो मुझे इतना मिला है. Radius centimeter, he has given in centimeters. So yes. So if you convert it to centimeters, what would you get?
Sir, 22 centimeters.
Which one?
The 2.2
Yes. So
would
this
be
is what?
20.
Yes. This dm cube, which matlab 22.2 into मतलब dm into dm into dm, 3 times of dm. So इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 2.2 into you are converting it to centimeters. If you convert it to centimeters, with what number you have to multiply?
Multiply by 10. So it would become 22 cubic decimeters. And we already have the diameter in centimeters.
Yes, so it will be 2.22 or 22. Yes. We need to find what here? Length. He's talking about cylinder.
So that's basically the height of the cylinder.
Yes, height of the cylinder. Length means what? Cylinder. If I talk about, he's talking about this height. Length मतलब height. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. ठीक है?
Pi r square h.
हाँ. So volume of the wire, ये wire किससे बना है? Wire से ही तो बना है. Sir, they made that particular cylinder with the help of what? Wire. That brass wire. ठीक है? तो volume of cylinder is equal to length of the wire, of course. Common sense. Sorry, volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of that brass. D has given the volume of the brass, cubic brass. So pi r square s is equal to 2.2 dm cube. ठीक है? Yes or no? तो मुझे
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, why don't we just convert it into centimeters?
Yes, if you convert it, yes, we converted in centimeters, right here.
In that case, no, I'm talking about the 2.2 decimeters. In
Yes,
that case,
exactly. You
pi
can, yes,
22 by 7 and 22 would be cancelled here.
yes, 22 by 10 here. अच्छा 2.2 into 10 का मतलब देखो ये सेंटीमीटर्स, तो पाई आर स्क्वायर एच इज इक्वल 22 centimeters. So 22 by 7 into radius, how much? 1.25.
0.125.
So let us write in fraction. 125 by 1000 into height 22. This will be getting cancelled. So what would you remain with now? H is equal to 7000 divided by 125. Yes or no? So 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 1s, 5 4s. So 25.
Sir, you only took the radius once. It's r square.
Acha, yeah. I'm sorry. Then you'll be getting different answer. So 125
That's
by
how I
1000.
got a different answer the first time.
Okay. So even you took the same. So how many zeros?
Yes, sir, I made the same mistake.
6 zeros, which means 70 lakhs. 70 lakhs divided by 125 into 125. So 125, 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 1s, 5 4s. So 25 ones, or use 5 5s, 5 2s, 5 8s. Okay, again 5 ones, 5 5s, 5 6. So 5 5 5s, 5 ones, 5 ones, 5 2s, You got different answer, right? H value, I'm getting something different. Any conversion, any conversion, we made a mistake. Look at the conversion. Conversion.
No, sir, I got the same thing till here and I got the correct answer.
Then calculation mistake we made. So 70 lakhs divided by 125 into 125. This is what you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, I made the 125 square as 15625.
15625. Yeah. 125 into 125.
Yes, sir.
So you multiplied and cancelled. It's a big number, right? It's a difficult to cancel, right? So you do one thing. 5 table only you can cancel. It'll be easy. Correct. You cancel correctly. 5 twos. 5 14s. 5 fives. 5 twos. 5 28s. 5 fives. 5 fives. 5 6. Now, yes, 5 ones. 5 ones. 5 twos. Yes or no? 5 ones. 5 twos 10. 5 twos 10. So I got 2240, right? 2240 I'm getting. We made something conversion mistake here. In terms of zeros, anything, any mistake, check it out, make it fast. In terms of or else in decimal, guys, look at this here. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay. So correct only we solved. We got 22 centimeters, right? Only, no? Yes, 1 centimeter is equal to, sorry.
Sir, you have to do one more cancellation. You have to do one more cancellation.
Where?
Sir, like 2240, that also. you have
Acha,
to
5 ones again. 5 ones,
Yeah,
5 fours. 5, okay, okay.
448. Yes.
Okay, okay. Acha, we. Acha, understood. Next question. You see, guys, calculation only thing you need to do. See here, we know 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to what? 10 centimeters. 10 सेंटीमीटर को मिला के 1 डेसीमीटर बोलता है, ठीक है? So 1 decimeter. So he has given 2.2, which is nothing but 2.2 into 10. So 22 centimeters you will get. If you calculate as per that, you will be getting your answer clearly. Chalo, next question. Solve this question quick. Solve this question. What length of a solid cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeter and external diameter 20 centimeter and thickness is 2.5 mm. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you scroll up, sir? I want to take a screenshot of the above sum. The whole sum, sir.
I'll share the notes, right? Why do you want to take a screenshot? I don't understand. I'll share the notes, right?
Yes, sir. This question is interesting, sir.
Yes, even it is interesting. I'll be sharing the notes. You can open that and go through that. Please, everyone should
Okay,
go
sir.
through the class notes. I'll be sharing everyday class notes in Google Classroom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Every day after finishing the class, within 15 minutes, I'll be updating. Within 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be updating. Please check it out there.
Yes, sir.
Solve this question quick. Guys, be clear with your, that conversions. So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
1 nanometer is equal to 1 yard, 1 centimeter. Make it fast. What is the answer? What happened? What is the answer?
The steps are running, sir. Almost finishing.
What he has given? What length of a solid cylinder? We need to find the length of the cylinder.
Sir, I'm getting a, I'm not sure if it's right, but I'm getting 1521.
No. What length of a cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder? Of a length 16 centimeter, external diameter. Okay. Very good question. Make it fast. Girls, I'm not getting the answer from anyone. Look at this here. सॉलिड सिलेंडर को क्या कर रहा है? हालो सिलेंडर में बना रहा है उसको. ठीक है, सॉलिड सिलेंडर है, उसको हालो सिलेंडर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हालो सिलेंडर? टेल मी.
Sir, this means
There
that
is nothing
we
inside.
calculate volume, right? We need only total surface area.
या देखो मैंने क्या बोल रहा हूँ. हालो सिलेंडर का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, it's empty on
Like
the
a pipe.
inside.
It's
एम्प्टी.
like a pipe,
Empty on the inside.
like a
देखो.
pipe only, sir.
Sir, like vacuum.
यस, वैक्यूम. इनसाइड ये जो होता है ना, ये जो सभी होता है ना, इसको बोलता है हालो सिलेंडर. देखो ये डॉटेड लाइन. दिस इज लाइक हालो सिलेंडर. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा समझ रहा हूँ. दैट इज हालो सिलेंडर. देखो ये क्या बता रहा है? दैट सिलेंडर, सॉलिड सिलेंडर, जस्ट टेक इट, recast into hollow cylinder. तो इधर देखो, like everyone look at this carefully. Diameter of the solid cylinder, how much given? 2 centimeters given. Okay, this diameter of the solid cylinder recasted into what? Hollow. Then what is the length? Length of hollow, how much given? 16 centimeter. I mean external diameter. देख, इस external diameter मतलब outside कितना दिया है? External diameter 20 centimeter. थिकनेस उसका कितना मोटा है वो? थिकनेस 2.5 mm. Guys, look at this here. Everything is given centimeters, so he has given in mm. How many mm is equal to 2.5?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
2.5 mm given, guys. Convert into centimeters.
The voice is breaking in between. We couldn't hear.
2.5 meters given, 2.5 millimeters given. So converting into centimeters, with what number you have to multiply, with what number you have to divide? देखो बेटा, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. ठीक है? All right. So
So
1
sir,
mm is equal to
multiply.
1 by 10. आया समझ? 1 mm is equal to
Yes.
what? 1 by 10 centimeter. तो देखो, तो 1 by 10 centimeter. तो 1 by 10 centimeter करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? तो 25 by 100 का मतलब 0.25 mm. Yes or no? Sorry, centimeter, not mm. So this is my thickness. So what he is talking about here? Volume, right? Volume of what? Cylinder. Volume of cylinder what? What is the volume of cylinder?
Pi r square.
We know that volume of pi r square h, not pi r square. Okay, and yes. तो मुझे इधर क्या क्या पता है? what is the radius here? So देखो, what is the radius? भाई रेडियस क्या होता है? डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2r, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू d/2 का मतलब 1 सेंटीमीटर। यस और नो? क्लियर? तो इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट
Yes.
करो, पाई इंटू 1 इंटू h मतलब पाई h, पाई h मतलब 22/7h। ठीक है, अरे सिंपली राइट पाई h। दिस इज माय वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर। एंड इधर हालो सिलेंडर के बारे में भी बात कर रहे थे। वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हालो सिलेंडर क्या होता है? देखो गाइस, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हालो सिलेंडर इज व्हाट? बेटा वॉल्यूम ऑफ हालो सिलेंडर क्या होता है? सेम ही होता है, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच। मतलब आर स्क्वायर क्या होता है, थोड़ा चेंज होगा। ये पाई तो सेम ही होगा, हाइट तो सेम ही होगा, आर स्क्वायर में चेंज आएगा। ये आर स्क्वायर कैसा बदलेगा बताओ?
Sir, you have to subtract the thickness from the
यस, थिकनेस क्या होता है
real
मुझे बताओ। देखो
radius.
देखो देखो, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, वेरी वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, सो नाउ व्हाट इज द थिकनेस ऑफ दिस? थिकनेस कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग? थिकनेस हाउ कैन आई गेट? टेल मी। ये
The
बड़ा,
radius minus
इसका रेडियस, हाँ इसका रेडियस क्या होता है? इसका रेडियस, ये बड़ा वाला का रेडियस में से छोटा वाला रेडियस हम लोग घटा देंगे तो मुझे ये रेडियस ये मिलेगा ना। देखो दिस वन थिकनेस इज व्हाट? दिस येलो कलर शेडेड पार्ट। ध्यान से सुनिए, आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडिंग द पिंक कलर डॉटेड लाइंस, दैट येलो कलर इज व्हाट? थिकनेस। आपको समझ, गाइस आर एबल टू
yes sir.
अंडरस्टैंड? देखो दिस, यू कैन इमेजिन द, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द डिफरेंट कलर्स। दिस इज व्हाट माय थिकनेस। ये सब थिकनेस होता है ना। हाँ, हाउ कैन आई डू दैट? हाउ कैन आई गेट दैट? थिकनेस रेडियस ऑफ द बिगर वन माइनस स्मॉलर वन, तो मुझे मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो मैंने देखो पाई आर स्क्वायर है मेरे पास, तो हॉलो सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम क्या होता है देन? पाई आर स्क्वायर का मतलब दिस आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर इनटू एच। सही है ना?
Yes
समझ
sir.
रहे? सो थिकनेस हाउ मच ही हैज गिवन? 0.25 सेंटीमीटर्स वी गॉट। देखो एंड व्हाट इज आर?
1.
हाँ, व्हाट इज आर? 1 सेंटीमीटर। आर इज व्हाट? 1 सेंटीमीटर माइनस दिस आर। सो मुझे, ओके, सो व्हाट इज माई इनसाइड द रेडियस, इंटरनल रेडियस? ये अंदर वाला का रेडियस कितना मिलेगा?
Sir, 9.75 centimeter.
तो 1 माइनस 0.25 कितना मिलेगा? 1 माइनस 0.25, तो उसमें करें 9.75 सेंटीमीटर। आया समझ? यस। तो मुझे अब देखो बेटा, मुझे क्या चाहिए अभी, ध्यान से
Sir,
सुनिए।
it should be 0.75, sorry. 1 minus 0.
0.75, yeah.
हाँ भाई देखो, एक में देखो ध्यान से, 1 में से, हाँ यस 0 पॉइंट ही होगा भाई, 9 पॉइंट कैसा होगा? 10, नॉट 10। सो 10 में से, यस 10 माइनस दैट इज 9.75। सो 1 माइनस 0.25 कितना? 0.75। यस, सो ये मिला मुझे। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ, नाउ व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ हॉलो सिलेंडर? बताओ। पाई इंटू आर स्क्वायर, 1 स्क्वायर मतलब 0.75 स्क्वायर इंटू एच। यस और नो? एंड नाउ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? किसके है? पाई आर स्क्वायर, आई मीन पाई एच। किसके? वॉल्यूम ऑफ हॉलो सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड सिलेंडर देखो पाई एच पाई एच के पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. This is what I got. Now look at this. तो how much you get here? हाँ देखो इसको कैलकुलेट करो पाई इंटू वन. हाउ मच यू गेट पाई इंटू वन. वन माइनस 0.75 स्क्वायर हाउ मच? 0.75 स्क्वायर. कैलकुलेट दिस.
0.5.
हाँ 0.5. 0.5 कैसा होता है भाई? Sir, I'm in class, sir. Can I call you back? Oh, okay. I saw the message. I'm in class. So if you call, my class will get disconnected. That's why. Yes, tell me what is the answer, children. Hello, can you hear me?
Just solving.
What is h here? H is what height? What is height value? Guys, he has given length here. देखो भाई length दिया है. Length of the hollow cylinder is 16 given. Length of the hollow cylinder is 16 given. तो substitute करो here. 16. Then pi will be getting cancelled. तो इससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा? h का वैल्यू मिलेगा. तो this is what my h value. 16 into so 0.75 into 0.75 कितना मिला? जल्दी से बताइए.
Sir, I got height as 7 centimeter.
मुझे 0.75 ये कितना मिला बच्चों? 0.75 into 0.75.
Sir, I got 0.5625.
So okay, so 1 minus, so 1 minus 0.5625 how much?
Sir, 0.4375 into 16. I did
0.4375. So
75.
0. into 16. तो कितना मिलेगा ये?
Sir, I got 7 centimeter.
7 exactly 7. 7 कैसे मिलता है भाई exactly?
Yes, 7 centimeter. I got.
अच्छा, so 7 centimeter. Multiply, you got guys, he got 7 centimeter. ठीक है? 7 centimeters is your final answer. Any doubts? कोई डाउट है इधर? बहुत अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन है. हेलो सिलेंडर का मतलब देखो ये होता है, थिकनेस फाइंड आउट करना है. थिकनेस मतलब आउटर रेडियस माइनस इनर रेडियस. तो उसके हिसाब से हम लोग वॉल्यूम लिख किया. सो ही हैज गिवन दैट लेंथ ऑफ hollow cylinder is equal to 16 centimeter. That's what I used here. So h का वैल्यू इधर यूज किया मैंने 16, तो मुझे 7 मिला, 7 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Any doubts in the previous question? Guys, any doubts in this
Sir,
question?
can you explain what was your approach to it? I mean, how exactly, what was the process?
प्रोसेस कुछ नहीं है. देखो एक बार ध्यान इमेजिन करो. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? इमेजिन द क्वेश्चन. सी हियर, व्हाट लेंथ ऑफ ए सॉलिड सिलेंडर in a diameter, I mean 2 centimeter in diameter, must be taken to recast a cylinder, I mean like a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeter, external diameter 20 centimeter thickness. So मुझे कितना वाला चाहिए? मुझे 7 सेंटीमीटर वाला सॉलिड सिलेंडर चाहिए मुझे रिकास्ट करने में, ठीक है सर? हाउ कम इट इज पॉसिबल? इसका लेंथ तो 16 है, तो इसका लेंथ कैसा 7 होता है? तो हमारा आंसर गलती हो जाएगा। यस सर नो चिल्ड्रन? यस सर नो? हेलो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, यो अरे यार मैंने इसका लेंथ का तो मुझे 7 मिला है, इसका तो 16 दिया है, तो 7 में से 7 सेंटीमीटर, 7 में से 16 कैसा लेता है यार? 7 तो छोटा हो गया, तो अंदर तो बड़ा है, छोटा में से बड़ा कैसा होगा? ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? इमेजिन, आर यू गाइस एबल टू इमेजिन दिस सिचुएशन हियर? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But then somewhere it should be, somewhere it might be wrong actually. क्वेश्चन में कुछ तो भी गलत। देखो ये ऐसा नहीं पॉसिबल होगा, 100% इज नॉट पॉसिबल होगा। देखो ये छोटा वाला है ना, दिस इज वी गॉट 7 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ, ये अंदर वाला दिया है 16 है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है ना? आया समझ? चिल्ड्रन आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
Sir,
गर्ल्स
can you show the question again?
1 सेकंड, क्वेश्चन देखो। टू सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर सही है, हाँ।
So, sir, it's asking us that a third, I mean, not third, actually, the second, another, what do you call it? Another cylinder is going to be taken and it's going to be placed inside the hollow part, right?
What length of the solid cylinder 2 centimeter diameter must be taken to recast? Recast, guys, because बताओ recast का मतलब क्या होता है? Recast का मीनिंग क्या होता है? उसका लाइक यू नो उसको डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ दैट अदर, लाइक ये है ना? अच्छा एक मिनट।
Yes, sir, to change the shape.
ओके देन, अच्छा रिकास्ट, मेरे पास ये सिलेंडर है, ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा मेल्ट करके दूसरा फॉर्म बनाने को बोलता है। हाँ वही बता रहा हूँ मैंने,
So,
मेरे
sir,
पास
we need to equate the inside one with the given diameter of two centimeters, right?
सॉरी
So the hollow part, so we're going to remove the radius, I mean the thickness. So we know the dimensions of the hollow part. So we're going to equate that with the solid cylinder.
देन यस, देन ओनली तो तभी तो मुझे तभी तो मुझे मिलेगा h का वैल्यू, हाइट कितना है, देन हाउ कम यू गेट हाइट वैल्यू इफ यू आर नॉट इक्वेटिंग? सी हियर रिकास्ट का मतलब होता है एक सिलेंडर से दूसरा को बनाना, कुछ प्रोसेस करके, कास्टिंग प्रोसेस होता है। यू विल बी स्टडिंग इन योर इंजीनियरिंग, इफ यू स्टडी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, यू विल बी स्टडिंग ऑल दिस स्टफ। Ahil is leaving the meeting again and again. Guys, in like production and mechanical engineering, you'll be studying about all this, welding processes and this melting and casting processes. Recast का मतलब होता है उसको मेल्ट करके दूसरा फॉर्म बनाना उसका। मेरा ये डाउट है कि ये मुझे इसका लेंथ मुझे 7 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 7 सेंटीमीटर से 16 सेंटीमीटर वाला सिलेंडर को कैसा बनाता है यार? ये तो गलत हो जाएगा ना? आया समझ? एक मिनट।
Sir, if the diameter is less, then the height should be more. And if the height is more, then the diameter should be less,
Yes.
right? So that the equilibrium is formed. So the height we need to have should be much greater than 16.
देखो इसका थोड़ा डायमीटर कितना है, 2 सेंटीमीटर है। इसका डायमीटर कितना है? 2 सेंटीमीटर दिया है, ठीक है। तो इसका सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर 2 centimeters he has given. Okay, so from this I need to make a cylinder विद डायमीटर कितना वाला 20 सेंटीमीटर वाला इम्पॉसिबल राइट 20 सेंटीमीटर वाला डायमीटर कैसा कैसा बनाता है यार think somewhere we are
Sir,
understanding
maybe the volumes of both of the cylinders need to be same.
that is all volume yeah then that is what we done here.
So, sir, why did you remove the bigger radius from the smaller radius?
To get the thickness why because he's talking about thickness here.
So you should remove the thickness from the bigger radius, right? Why would you put the smaller radius in this?
हाँ थिकनेस इज नथिंग लुक एट दिस हियर देखो मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको ये क्या है मेरा लुक एट दिस सो इसका थिकनेस मुझे चाहिए इसका थिकनेस हाँ I'm
Sir, your
inserting
voice is breaking.
I'm inserting the 16 centimeter cylinder into that particular solid cylinder hollow cylinder I'm inserting into solid cylinder तो मुझे दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो ही मुझे क्या बोलते थिकनेस मिलेगा ना यस सर नो मुझे थिकनेस ऑफ सिलेंडर क्या चाहिए थिकनेस ऑफ सिलेंडर कैसा पता चलेगा मुझे आउटर माइनस इनर करेंगे तो तभी तो मिलेगा मुझे
Yes, sir.
दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव डन वो
So
सही है
outer diameter is 20. The inner diameter, since the thickness is
so one second
0.25.
so outer diameter let's say d so 20 है inner diameter let's say कितना दिया है वो सॉरी outer diameter कितना दिया है outer diameter how much given
20. And the thickness is given as 0.25 centimeters. So if you,
एक्सटर्नल अच्छा ये एक्सटर्नल
yes,
तो सही है तो ये 20 है ये 2 है तो इसका रेट ओ भाई इसका आर क्या होगा 10 होगा इसका आर क्या होगा 1 होगा हमने गलत सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है इधर देखो आर का वैल्यू कितना होता है 10 इसका वैल्यू कितना 1 ये मिलेगा 9.25 9.75
but sir, don't we want to know the inside, the radius of the inside hollow cylinder?
ठीक है सॉरी
You want to know the red radius of the red part, right? Not the green.
यस
So you would have to remove the thickness from the big one. So 10
Yeah.
minus 2 into 0.25.
yeah we need to
Sorry,
know
20 minus.
no see we need to know the radius of the inner one आउटर का रेडियस कितना है देखो आउटर दिया डायमीटर 20 दिया है तो रेडियस 10 होगा तो कैपिटल आर का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा मुझे 10 करेक्ट ओनली मुझे आई नीड स्मॉलर आर वैल्यू हियर तो थिकनेस 0.25 गिवन 10 माइनस आर तो स्मॉल आर इज 9.75 सही है ना यस और नो am I right am I
Sir,
right
how would that be the radius?
uh,
Yes, sir. That's why in the beginning I said 9.75.
okay okay you told according to this then that is correct you are right shut up you are right
Okay, sir.
9.75 is right. If you take accordingly this calculate करो इसके हिसाब से अभी तो 9.75 के हिसाब से करो गाइस 9.7 के हिसाब से करो अभी आप